everyone. You must have come across the Nykaa sale and the Bath and Body Works sales on the internet. So I did take advantage like all of you. So I just wanted to quickly show you what all I bought in the haul. So the first product I'm going to show you is Bath and Body Works Moisturizing Body Wash. I've got another body wash. This is the Aroma Therapy Rose and Vanilla. Same price, 1399, and they had an offer of buy two get two free. So the other two products that I got free are the two body lotions, Sunset Glow and Perfect Peony. So my intention of buying two different kind of body wash was to experience how different they are from each other, and I would do a video to give you guys a quick guide which shower gel or body wash is better. Now coming on to the sale on Nykaa, I bought a couple of things. So this is Kay Beauty's Metal Show eyeshadow stick. So this is my first product of Kay Beauty. I never bought anything really, just really wanted to try. It's a very nice got a really creamy texture, and I did, this is the shade again, so I did try this on my eyelids, and it was super easy to kind of blend it using your fingers itself. So you don't really need any kind of brush to blend it on your eyelids. Very creamy, very soft. Your eyes doesn't feel heavy at all after applying this. Very lightweight, and I really loved this. I totally loved this eyeshadow stick from Kay Beauty. Okay, moving on to the next product is this is Pixie's Vitamin C Tonic. I wanted to try a different toner for my face. I have been using Kama Ayurveda's distilled rose water toner, but that didn't really actually make any difference on my skin, and I've done a video about that previously, so you would know. So I'm using this for the past 2-3 days now. Feels great. I'll do a detailed video on this. So along with this, I also got a small tube of Glow Mud Mask. Tried this as well. Pretty good. Makes your skin look very clean and moisturized. So totally love both these products from Pixie. The other thing that I've got is Pond's 6-step home facial kit, and I'm planning to review this this weekend. So I'll just show you the step-by-step process in my video, which I would be recording for this product. Super excited to try this. I've got another interesting product, which is Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. This was super fun when I applied it for the first time. Again, I would do a short video on this for the detailed review. So I got a small sachet of this primer with the Too Faced lip injection. Would try this again probably today or something. Yep. The other product that I got was, I was very excited to try this out. This is L'Oreal's Rivetta Lift Crystal, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I've got a small bottle only, so it acts like a moisturizer or a serum, I guess. And I've heard a lot of good reviews about this. I really wanted to try this out, and I've been applying this for the past 2 days, and experience so far is really good. Now, I've always wanted to try MAC's Powder Kiss lipsticks. So I've got 2 shades here, P for Potent and Shocking Revelation. Shocking Revelation is a mixture of pink and red. So it's a really bright color, but really nice. I'll post pictures on my Instagram. And P for Potent is a purple color lipstick. I don't know how I can describe that, but again, I would post pictures of both these lipsticks on my Instagram, so please check that out if you really want to see the exact shade but actually I can show it to you here as well. One second. Really nice. I really liked this texture, and as you can see, I've already used it. So this is the shade. It's a very soft purple and feels really great on your lips. It doesn't dry out your lips at all. It's very moisturizing and nice purple color. Let me show you the other one. So this is the red that I was talking about. It's a really nice bright red. It's not a red exactly. It's like a mixture of pink and red. So yeah, I would post a picture of my lips after I've applied it. Then you will get the exact idea. Now, along with these matte lipsticks, I also got their blush free. It's a sheer tone shimmer blush. Let me show it to you quickly. And this was totally free, so they had some offer going on Nykaa. Very nice natural shimmer. I really loved this shade. I don't really like, you know, pink blushes. I like something, you know, which is golden and, you know, natural skin tone color kind of thing. So this is the Sun Basque, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is the shade name, and it's totally sheer on your skin as it claims. Last product for today's haul video is MAC's Technicolor Liner Eyeliner Kajal. Cool Jazz is the shade that I got. Let me quickly show it to you. Nice blue color kajal. So I'm planning to do a makeup look, which I'm really bad at. I can't really do makeup so well, but I'm gonna try, you know, some of these products, lipstick, the blush, eyeliner and everything, and post a picture. Okay, so there's one more product that I got free since I bought 3 products from MAC. That is the eyeliner and 2 lipsticks. So along with the blush, I also got this cream based highlighter. So this is MAC's Strobe Cream, and let me show it to you. A small cute tube is what I've got as a sample. Let me swatch that. I'll try this on this hand since my other hand is already, you know, full with other swatches. Pink tinted highlighter. It gives a really nice natural glow. It's not glittery, but it's glowy. That's what I can say about this, and feels very light, very light on my skin. Doesn't feel sticky. It's very moisturizing. It's like a moisturizing cream that you apply on your face. A very nice highlighter. I mean, if I'll try to use this on the makeup look that I'm planning, and if I really love this product, then I think I'll just go ahead with buying the full version of this product. Totally loved it right now. Okay, so this was all about my Nykaa and Bath and Body Works haul. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and thank you so much.